Welcome to the demo for sender-filled fields, a feature you might recognize as manual merge fields from ESignature. In ShareFile document templates, we already have system-filled fields. These are great for auto-populating data from Salesforce or ShareFile. But what if the data doesn't live in a CRM? What if a sender needs to manually type in a specific negotiated price, a start date, or a custom clause right before sending the document? Previously, they couldn't. Today, we are closing that gap. Sender-filled fields allow the sender to input variable data before the document is sent for signature. Who has access to this feature? The Sender-Filled Fields feature is available to any user with permission to create templates and send them for signature. It's included in the following ShareFile plans: Premium, VDR, and Industry Advantage. Creation of a template. From the template listing page, start the template creation flow. Select PDF template. As this feature is not supported for editable Word templates at the moment, I'll upload a confidentiality agreement. In this scenario, I need to fill in the client name and the effective date manually because this data isn't stored in my CRM. I've uploaded the document and set my roles. Now I'm on the Place Field screen. On the left navigation, you'll see a new section called Sender Fields. We support the essential field types: text, date, dropdown, checkbox, and checkbox groups. I'm dragging a text field here for the client name and a date field for the effective date. Crucially, I map these fields to the sender, not the signer. This means I fill them out, not the customer. I'll also add the standard signature fields for the client and annotate my signature onto the template. I'll save this, and now our template is ready for action. Sending the template for signature. I select Send for signature. Immediately, I land on a new screen where I can input the data manually. I can type in the client's name and select today's date from the picker. Notice the progress bar at the top. It tracks completion to ensure I don't miss any required fields. A quick note: the system will still let me proceed with a warning if these mandatory variables are not filled. But once you move on to the next step, the sender-filled fields are embedded onto the document as overlays, and you cannot come back to edit it. From here, it's business as usual. I can send this to a single recipient or use bulk send to distribute it to up to 300 people. For this demo, I'll add one recipient, review the security settings, and hit send. And that's it. The recipient receives a clean, professional document with the specific details already filled in. This brings us closer to feature parity with ESignature and gives your customers the flexibility to handle ad hoc data without leaving the ShareFile ecosystem.